right, look at our HVL. We have our original control line, which we snapped and did all of this work from inside to outside of the house. We're transferring that all the way to the front of the house. Past that front door that they're building in place right now. They're welding it, we can't get through. So there's that. There's our original control line. We're glowing. Boom. Now we can use this line, transfer outside. Here we go. Black line, we're using this piece of scrap masonite to transfer our line over here. Ghetto. That's how off we are. That's where we would have gone if we didn't do this. We would have been a quarter inch off. That was checked. Yep. Go ahead and remove that. All right, now I gotta get this over there, so watch this. I don't know if this is getting on camera. Pull this down. Move this over here. All right, get this guy here. It's gonna give me a green dot. There we go. So I got this thing set on my plumb dot. Steve's got the receiver. What he's gonna do is hit it all the way to the end. Yeah, you can go all the way to the end. So that's about 80 feet, 100 feet away. He's gonna set that receiver, hit it on auto. Go ahead and set it. No, he's running this whole laser off that receiver. And it's in auto mode. It's automatically going to line up with the center of his receiver as soon as it does a solid beat. Zero. The laser automatically went from here, found his receiver and moved, and then hit zero, and now it's going to stay there. So now we're lined up automatically. We're not moving this at all. It moves itself there. All right, we're 2 5/8 off control lines and tongue. So now we can go like this. And now we have our control line. All right, so when we were laying this out before, we didn't have a door in our way. That was our original mark, and we're still hitting it. So now I know that this is working, right? But we didn't have it marked out here yet, because we didn't have scaffolding, so now we do. I may or may not have accidentally bumped into that while we were putting the scaffolding up. We may or may not have to reset the whole thing, which is not that big of a deal, but you're gonna get a better angle now because I'm up high so you can see. All right. You're done? Good there. Do you think, Bubba? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna transfer our benchmark now up here to this receiver. All I gotta do is hold it up and let it beep at me, and then it'll tell me how far to move it. It says 1 inch to the left.
So all the foam areas there properly. Okay, so all the foam areas there properly. So they're all shut. Yeah, but it's just